Hello everyone, so as you can see, I'm so excited to share with you today my nutrient dense recipe for a healthy glow to the skin and equally to enable you have all the vitamins and minerals you need for that day. Yes, I said so, all the vitamins and minerals you need for the day. That is because the ingredients were carefully put together to make sure that they contain all the vitamins and minerals. So consuming this smoothie is like a dose of a multivitamin you buy from your whole food market, because it actually contains all the vitamins and minerals you need for that day. You actually understand what I'm talking about when I'm showing you how to come up with this smoothie yourself at home. This is like a bottle of multivitamin. Having this a day, you don't need to take any other multivitamin. It is equally highly rich in vitamin C to glow your skin from the inside out. So this is what I carry to work, and when my co-workers are consuming their pops, their cokes, I just get my smoothie and join them. So yeah, try this smoothie and you will love it so much. It tastes so good in the mouth. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. So let's get straight into this. So in order to come up with this very powerful bottle of smoothie, the first ingredient you will need is one mango. So you want to wash your mango thoroughly, peel and slice into sizes that can easily blend in your blender. So why are we adding mango in this smoothie? That is because mangoes are a very powerful source of so many vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin E, a little bit of vitamin C, B6, iron, zinc. It is a very rich source of antioxidant and contains a little bit of calcium in it as well. So all those vitamins and minerals are enough reason for us adding it in this smoothie. Most especially the fact that mangoes are highly rich in vitamin A and E. Vitamin A and E are what will help you fight all the early signs of aging on the skin. If you notice, all the retinol creams in the market are made with concentrated vitamin A, and mangoes are highly rich in vitamin A to help do that job for you from the inside. The vitamin E in mangoes is what will get into your system and help your body make collagen, because vitamin E is what helps your body to make collagen, and collagen is what is responsible for the youthfulness of the skin. Collagen is what is responsible for improving your skin's elasticity so it doesn't sag fast, causing all the wrinkles and fine lines. So you want to carefully wash your ingredients so you don't put in dirt into your system. The second ingredient you need is pineapple. So pineapples are equally highly rich in vitamin C to glow your skin from the inside. It has a little bit of vitamin B6, magnesium, calcium, iron, and vitamin A as well. A lot. So it is equally very good to help you detox, because it has an enzyme in it, bromelain, that helps to facilitate digestion, boost your metabolism. So you have to get a pineapple peel. Why I'm showing this is because I don't want you to throw your pineapple peel. You need to always keep your pineapple peel to make your weight loss drinks with. And equally the middle, that is the core of the pineapple, you have to keep it as well for your detox smoothies. I'll be showing you in my next video how to use the middle, that is the core of the pineapple, to come up with a very powerful detox smoothie. So you want to keep the middle of your pineapple. You don't need that middle. You're keeping it for that detox smoothie I'll be sharing. So what we need is what you see in the bowl, just the fruit, not the core or the peel. Yeah, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Yep. The next, which is the most important here, are your green leafy vegetables. So green leafy vegetables contain all the vitamins and minerals. This is goodness. This is a combination of different green leafy vegetables. I have spinach, I have dandelion, I have kale. I just have a combination of all these green leafy vegetables, these baby leafy vegetables. You can come up with your own combination. I got this from the Whole Food, I think it's from Cup Food or the Whole Food Market. It is organic spring mix. So it's a mix of green leafy vegetables. This alone will give you all the vitamins and minerals. So you want to wash your ingredients with vinegar so you don't put in dirt or those pesticides they use in spraying these fruits with. I had shared a video on how to properly wash your fruits and vegetables. You want to check my channel. So yeah, you can come up with your own different leaves. All the green leafy vegetables are good. Just come up with your own, the one you are accessible to. Like, just come up with your own combination of different kinds of green leafy vegetables, and you mix with your pineapple and mango. Trust me, it will taste so good. You will not feel like you are consuming those green leafy vegetables, because it can be very difficult just getting them and chewing them like that, because you want to get in those vitamins and minerals into your system. So coming up with smoothies like this, mixing them up, makes it easy to consume those vegetables we all do not want to just consume like that. So I'm adding in ice. I'm just adding 3 blocks so I get the drink chilled. I don't want it too flat in the mouth. It will just be chilled but not cold. You don't want it cold, you just want it chilled. The next thing, you just blend into the consistency and thickness or smoothness you want. If you want it really light, you can add in water, but I just like my smoothie kind of thick. The pineapple juice makes it even just get to the consistency I like. I don't like it light and too thick. So this is like, you get the best smoothie. So yeah, voila. You now put in your bottle, carry to work. While people are drinking, consuming pops and cokes, you just be consuming your smoothie. This is a bottle of multivitamin. You don't need to take any tablet of multivitamin if you are having this that day. Don't even take it. Very healthy if you are somebody who doesn't believe in all the capsules or multivitamins. Just go for this. It will glow your skin, leaving all the nutrients you need, balancing your hormones if you are somebody suffering from hormonal imbalance as well. So I hope somebody finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.